travel back millions of years, long before cities, languages, or even the idea of civilization. This is the story of how our earliest ancestors survived, adapted, and slowly shaped the world we live in today. Our journey begins more than 4 million years ago, in the warm grasslands of Africa. Here lived Australopithecus, one of the earliest known human ancestors. They were small, walked upright, and relied heavily on their environment for survival. Their world was filled with danger, saber-toothed predators, harsh climates, and constant competition for food. Yet every small adaptation they developed laid the foundation for the humans we would one day become. As time passed, evolution gave rise to new species. Around 2.4 million years ago, the first tool makers appeared, Homo habilis. With sharp stone flakes in their hands, they discovered a powerful truth. Tools could transform survival. These simple stones allowed them to cut meat, break bones, and protect themselves. It was a small step for survival, but a giant leap for humanity. Then came Homo erectus, the great traveler of the ancient world. These early humans spread far, beyond Africa into Asia and Europe, becoming the first explorers of Earth. They controlled fire,